Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this snowflake Z-fold card. Here's my Z-fold snowflake card that I used the Sparkling Snowflake stamps to create. So I started with a card base of 11 by 4 1/4 and scored at 2 3/4 and 5 to create the Z-fold. You can see it makes the letter Z there. And I'm going to do some embossing. So I've embossed this with the Snowflake Sky embossing folder that's in the mini catalog. So for the back layer, I've embossed this with the Snowflake Sky embossing folder, and I'm going to layer it on some Highland Heather. I'm going to use some Pull Party to add some color. So using a blending brush to add color to embossing really brings out and highlights the embossing. Now I'm going to stamp the inside and the front of the card. For the inside, for the sentiments, I've used the Brightest Glow stamp set. I've used the Merry Christmas and May the Peace of the Season light your world and may your new year be the brightest. The fonts on these two match, so I wanted to use them together. So now I'm going to stamp the sentiments in Gorgeous Grape and then some of the snowflakes in Pull Party. And this one I'm going to do Full Strength Pull Party. And then I'm going to use dimensionals to put these on another layer of deckled rectangles with the sentiment inside. For the front of the card, I used blending brushes with Pull Party to give the background some color. Now I'm just stamping all the snowflakes in Highland Heather, and then I'm stamping the coordinating detailed snowflake in Gorgeous Grape. Now I'm adding a little bit of splatters with the Regal Reindeer stamp set, layering that on Highland Heather, and that goes on the front of the card. And then my deckled rectangle gets popped up on dimensionals. And then I add these gems to the card. Now I'm going to color the iridescent ribbon with the light Highland Heather blending brush all the way. And I'm trying to be very careful to use the side so that I don't blunt the tip of the brush. Now I'm just going to use my fun little tying tool to tie a bow, and you can learn more about that in my How to Tie a Bow video. And just trim that off, and then I'll be adding that to the card with the dimensional. And so there is my Snowflake Z-fold card.